Welcome guys. Right, we have been able to initialize the components, the Materialize components. We had 4 components: the start date, start time, end date, and end time. All of them with just auto-init, which is this one in our date mount. With just that, see how clean it is. But the problem is we also identify that it's impossible to then customize a component that has been auto initialized. Okay, you just have the default settings if you use that. So that's the gotcha that I was talking about. So to go around this, if we go back to our application here, right, so say it's the start date, you're looking at the start date, end date, we choose this one. We have got the default date. Now if we can just work on this one, leave the rest, this one, start date, time, start time, and end time under auto init, but let us customize this. So how are we going to do this? What you need to do, we are going to, it's the end date that we're looking at, right? So with the end date, what we're going to do is we need to add no auto init, right? Then in the meantime, what happens, you got Datepicker there and Datepicker here. So what this means, in this process with auto init, regardless of this one here, no auto init, it will pick up this date time picker and is going to still use the default settings. So what we need to do is we need to change this class here to anything, like we can say let us say no auto init, no auto, so we can change that class like so. Okay, right, so having changed this class, let us save here, save. Now if we go to our application, this was end date. With start date it works, end time it works, end date now it doesn't work, end time it works. Why is this one not working? Because it's no longer identified by this class name, the Datepicker. The Datepicker, which is this one. Okay, so in this case we can customize our application, and if I just get this here, okay, I'm jumping ahead here. So if we go to Materialize, and look for Datepicker, the pickers, and it's the Datepicker that we want. So we want this. Come to our code there. It's this one here. So we still have to go in here, paste, and this is what we are going to be working on, those options. And this one we have called it no, what did we call it? Yeah, we called it no-autoinit. Yeah, so if we copy that, how about if we do that, copy that, come here and paste it like so, paste no-autoinit, and no-autoinit, and we don't need this bit here. Okay, and yeah, let's see what we have now. Save, come back there, look at our application, and this one, it's still working. This is now working, but on this one we are now able to customize this, and let's customize the date, and we'll go there, and we know its format, so we get that format there, go there in our code, then paste that colon like so, and we can do the ISO date this time. And so that's that. Then we've got that, yeah. So day. Okay, save that, save all, come back to our code, and this, we choose this one, the default date is there. How about this one, the time, what date did we pick there? 15th, so we want to pick the 15th here as well, right? So this is, we've been able to customize this, yeah. So coming back to the code, once you auto-init, and you're not able to customize, but if you want to then customize a particular Materialize component, you have to place the no-autoinit within the class name, right? Then change also the class name for your Datepicker, right? Then you are then able to customize that. Okay, now how about in a situation where we have, if we come here, say we had 4 Datepickers here, and we want to customize, for some reason we want to customize these in different formats, and further to that, maybe let's just look at this here. Maybe we want to change, we want to have something to do with auto close, pass, and you know, all these options. You want to use all these options, and if we put them all in there, you can realize this can be untidy, very difficult to follow. Yeah, so in the next video we're just going to look at how we can deal with that situation. Okay, in the meantime, let us leave it as it is. Okay, so we have been able to use no-autoinit. All right,